Hello everybody, Dan here with the Wealth Instinct. I want to share with you my latest article about how to make money online without selling your own products. But first, if I could ask a favor, if you could subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. That way you'll get notifications when I add new content. I typically share information about mindset, about personal development, and about business and business opportunities. So we're living in through a time that I think where everything is changing so much, especially with the recent pandemic. More and more people are working from home. More and more people are creating online businesses, and this was happening even before all this happened, and now it's just accelerating even faster. And there's so much opportunity, and so I think it's important that the average person realize that this is an opportunity and that you can get involved too. Even if you're not doing this right now, even if you're not involved at all, this is an area that you can get into and learn and grow. And I think most people talk about Amazon and Etsy and Shopify and I don't know, Poshmark, all these different websites. These are all product based, and the truth is you can actually create a business without having your own product and without even dealing with the drop shipping and the logistics of getting the products to the people. And that world is all about affiliate marketing. And so affiliate marketing, really you are becoming affiliated with some other brand and you are doing their marketing for them as a kind of a freelance marketing. And that's basically what it's all about. And once you learn the skills of affiliate marketing, then, pretty much you can market anything. You can market other people's products, you can market your own products. There's a lot of options you have available. And it really comes down to identifying a target market, building an audience, and then sharing offers with them. And so one of the critical things you want to do in the beginning is to choose a niche. And a niche is basically it's basically like a targeted market segment, right? Like you might target, fashion is a big one, right? Someone might be really into fashion, and you might specialize in purses, or watches, or someone else might be into automotive. And there's a lot of different aspects and things you can specialize in automotive. You might specialize in health and fitness. Maybe you want to help people get really fit and strong, or maybe you want to help people lose weight, or maybe you want to help people connect to online business opportunities, right? There's so many different things you can do. The key is to choose something you're passionate about. Building a business, any business, takes a lot of time, takes a lot of struggle, it takes a lot of work, and these are definitely things that you can do. But if you're not passionate about what you're doing, you're not going to stick with it, right? Like if you're not passionate, the first obstacle that comes up, you're going to say, I don't know if it's worth it, right? So you've got to be passionate about the niche you're pursuing. That's going to give you the fuel to push through all these obstacles and figure it out. Because that's kind of the hard part, building that momentum, getting started, priming the pump, and you need some passion to get through all that. Once you master one niche, once you master the techniques, once you learn all this stuff, well, then you can do it, for any product, your own product, other people's products. But when you're starting off, you want to pick something you're passionate about. Plus, you want it to be fun. This is something you're going to spend a lot of time doing. You're going to become an expert in your niche. That's the thing, right? And why would you become an expert in something you're not passionate about, right? You might already be an expert in it. You might not be an expert in it. It doesn't matter. You're going to become an expert just through the process of doing the affiliate marketing. And so one of the key concepts here is digital real estate. We're all familiar with actual real estate, right? People have income producing properties that they lease out or they can allow to improve and sell. Online, there's an opportunity to create digital real estate. And these are income producing properties that are online, like your blog, for instance, right? If you have a blog with a lot of followers, it's going to produce some income, right? And there's some market value to that. Your YouTube channel, same thing. These are very powerful ways for you to share content and attract your audience, and also share offers. When people go online, they're watching videos, they're reading articles. This is the content that you're creating to attract your client, and you're doing research, you're learning about your niche, you're sharing valuable content and information, and that's how you're becoming an expert and attracting your audience. Social media sites, obviously, there's so many different social media sites, and these are great ways to connect with different audiences and share your message. And then your email list. So that's one of the most critical things you want to do, is you want to build an email list, because this is your the free traffic, right? So you want to get your offer to as many eyeballs as possible, and the email list you build around your niche is going to be a very targeted market segment that you can share offers with. And since you own that email list, it's not costing you money, right? Like, so most of the traffic that we get online it's often paid traffic, right? You're paying some someone, some service, some host to, or maybe some marketing relationship you have to share your information with other people, to share your offer with other people, and that costs money. But with your email list is what you own. And then online communities can be a lot of fun. If you're super into some niche, like whatever it is, automotive, off-road, fashion, online business, whatever it is you're super into, you're going to want to have other people to share this with and learn from, and that's the community you're building, the communities you're joining. And these communities are also a great resource to figure out what your customers are looking for, right? You can just ask them, hey, what kind of content do you want? What kind of questions do you have? And then you can create exactly what it is that they're looking for, right? And it's a win-win, because you're helping them to learn more about what they love, you're offering more value, and it's just, it's a great opportunity all around. So just to kind of summarize, we're going through a time that's, a huge shift in how people work and make money. More and more people are starting their own businesses. They're doing side hustles. They're doing their own online business. More and more people are working from home in general. We're buying products online, and there's opportunity out there. And if you want it, there's opportunity for you to learn and get involved. So I think the simplest way to learn about this is just to start. You could even just start in your own niche, and just whatever it is you're interested, you're going to start to notice people that are gurus or experts in that niche, and figure out what they do. Go to their website, listen to their content, just start, get on their email list, just see what it is they do and how they do it. And so you'll start to see how the business works. And then the fastest way to get started is to have a coach or mentor, right? Someone who can help you focus on the things that are the most important and not waste your time with all the things that don't matter, and also help you to overcome obstacles, right? Because you're going to hit roadblock after roadblock after roadblock, and you're going to have to struggle and learn how to get through these. And you can do that. A coach can help you do it more strategically and more quickly. So that's a great way to, I really, 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 really recommend, whatever it is you want to get good at, get a coach, because life is short, and the older you get, the more realize that your time is limited. And so the faster you can get to where you want, the more barriers you can work around and get help with, the better. The best resource I can share with you is the Entre Institute, founded by Jeff Lerner. So there's a link here at the bottom. So click on that link. You can see his video. He has been very successful, and he really breaks e-commerce and online business, entrepreneurship, and just how to have an awesome life. He really breaks it down in a way that I think makes a lot of sense. And he's really on a mission to really change education and make entrepreneurship available to more people. So click on that, check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. And I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments, and we will talk soon. Take care.